Hello everyone, my name is Diana Julia Chapelcam. It is a pleasure to meet you. Today is my first day at work and I am very happy and excited to be here. I am from Peru and I am Peruvian. I live in Lima and I am 38 years old. Let me tell you a little about my preference. I love Peruvian food, especially ceviche, and I like pizza too. I don't like spice foods very much. I hate eating food that is too salty. When it comes to music, I love listening to pop music and I like listening to rock music. I also enjoy listening to music in my free time. I don't like listening to very loud music. For my activities, I love spending time with my family and I like watching movies and going for walks. I also enjoy traveling and learning new things. I don't like staying at home all day. And I hate waking up very early on weekends. I am very happy to start this new job. I hope to learn many new things, meet new people, and have a great experience with all of you. Thank you for listening. It's a very nice to meet you.